So in this video I'm going to show you how to transpose rows or columns or switch them around. Automatically do it without reformatting your entire sheet. So we're going to be on sheet 2 of a file called 07 Messenger Theme. So on sheet 2 we're going to select rows 2 through 7. So 2 through 7. And actually the whole row. So click on your little title number over here. Select those rows. And we're going to copy the data to the clipboard. Control+C. Then you have your little ants marching around the selection. We're going to click cell A10. So on the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click the Paste button, arrow, so it opens a little drop-down menu, and select Paste Special. So Paste Special is at the bottom. And then we have the Paste Special dialog box open. And we're going to check the one that says Transpose. Transpose right here. Then we're going to click OK. The information should match what was there. So what we can do, let me show you that again. Let me get rid of this for you. So if we go back up here and we select 2 through 7, we Control-C for Control Copy. Go down to A10. We're going to go up to our Paste Special button, which we could see if we can get to it from here. Yep. Right click, Paste Special, go down to Paste Special. We're going to transpose, click OK. And so if you can tell, we still have our messenger name here in this same cell. But instead of our names for our messengers going down, they're going across. Our months are going down instead of across. And then we have our data. So it just flip-flopped the data to a different way to read. And that's all there is to it.